Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Want to make text look like it's being filled up? I'll show you how in Canva. Click Create, then select Videos from the menu. For this tutorial, choose the Landscape Video option. Next, locate and grab the Landscape Video template to begin your project. Enter your text, then select the Font drop-down menu. Browse the available fonts and choose any style you prefer. Click on a font to apply it to your text. For example, type Sample here to see how the font looks. Change the text effect to say hello. To do this, select the effect and type hello in the text field. You can also add another effect here if needed. To duplicate this effect, right-click and choose Duplicate from the menu options. To duplicate the text in the background, first select the text element you want to copy. Use the duplicate function or press Ctrl+D to create a copy. With the duplicated text selected, open the color options. Choose your desired color to change the text appearance. This completes duplicating and changing the color of the text. Drag and drop it here. Click Duplicate again to create another copy. Here, update the text by clicking inside the text box and typing your new content. Then click Outside. First, set the initial position as desired. Go back to the previous screen, select the items, and try merging them before transferring them to the new slide. Once the merge is complete, proceed to copy and paste the merged items. Finally, duplicate this element as well for consistency. Press Ctrl+D to select the next matching text. Then, with the desired selections highlighted, merge them using your preferred method. Click the element to select it, then switch to the outline view. Choose a color for the outline, but make sure to unlock the layer if it's currently locked, so you can see any changes. Once you've set the outline color, check that the element is visible. Next, add an animation effect by selecting the Animate option. Finally, apply a white color to the animation, ensuring it stands out clearly against your background for the best visual effect. Select the direction so the white moves to the left side. Next, adjust the speed using the provided slider or input. Make sure the setting matches your desired effect before proceeding to the next step in the process. Add a transition here. Adjust the duration to slow it down by dragging the edge. This makes the transition smoother and more noticeable in your video project. Adjust the animation duration by clicking the duration box and entering 2.6 seconds. Repeat this process for the next animation, click its duration box and set it to 3 seconds. Move to the following animation and set its duration to 2.7 seconds. Double check each value to ensure your timing updates are correct. These changes will help control the pacing of your animation, making transitions smoother and more in line with your desired flow. Now that the durations have been modified, play back your animation to observe how the updated timing affects the overall sequence. Watch carefully to confirm the timing adjustments meet your expectations. The setup is complete, you've finished all necessary steps, your settings are now saved, and the system is ready for use. You can begin working with the new configuration immediately. Extend this area so that additional text can be displayed after the initial content is filled. This ensures that any leftover text will remain visible, maintaining clarity and continuity in the presentation of the information on the screen for users. Click the Share button, then choose Download. Before downloading, make sure to increase the quality setting to ensure you get the best version available. You've learned how to make awesome filling text animations in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.